Hello students of RLPS class 5th chapter 7 factors and multiples exercise 6. In this exercise these 5 questions we have to solve. Question number 1, the product of two numbers is 3072. LCM is this and find out the HCF. There is a formula. You already know about the formula that of first number into second number equal to LCM into HCF. Means product of LCM and HCF is equal to the product of both numbers. Product of the numbers is given. Product of LCM and HCF means 192 into HCF equal to 3072. Very simple question are there. Question number 2. The LCM and HCF of both numbers, this is LCM, this is HCF respectively. Find out the other number. If one number is 126, one number is 126, we have to find out the other number. Question number 3 is simple also. Question number 4, LCM of two co-prime numbers. You know the co-prime numbers means two numbers, their common factor is 1 only, are called co-prime numbers. If common factor is 1 only means HCF of these numbers is 1 only. So HCF is 1, LCM is 756. If one number is 27, find out the other. Keen two numbers have a 13 as their HCF and this as their LCM. Give reason. So LCM is 1989 and HCF is 13. Is this possible? You know LCM is completely divisible by HCF. So we will check that 1989 is completely divisible by 13. Then it is possible, means it is HCF and it is LCM. If this is not divisible by 13 completely, then it is not possible. Question number 2 and 4 will be given. Remaining question you will solve by yourself. So this is exercise 7, exercise 6, chapter 7, question number 2. LCM and HCF of two numbers. LCM is 504, HCF is 18. One number is 92, means first number is 192. Find out the second number. You know that LCM into HCF equal to one number into second number. These values are given. 504 into 18. One number is 192 into second numbers. Let's consider x or second. Now keep the transfer 192, so it will be in division, means the second number will be there. 504 into 18 upon 192. That is that is not 192, that is 126. 192 is in first question. This is 126. Very sorry students, this is 126. Okay, now divide these numbers by 126. 126 will be divisible by 18. 18 7 ja 126. 18 1 ja 18, 18 7 ja 126, then second number will be 504 into 18 1 ja 18 upon 18 7 ja. So 504 into 1 will be 504 divided by 7. This will be cancelled by 7 also. 7 ja 49 and 7 2 ja 14. This is the second number. So you can write second number है other number. Second number is 72. Question number 4. LCM of two co-prime numbers. LCM is given 756 and number are co-prime, so HCF will be 1. HCF is given, LCM is given, one number is 27, first number 27, we have to find out the second number. Very simple question. So you know, first number into second number equal to LCM into HCF equal to first number is 27 into second number. LCM is 756, HCF is 1. Change the side of 27, this will be 756 बन जा 756, no change upon 27. 756 will be divided by 27, so this will be completely divisible. This is 28 time, so second number will be 28. This is the answer. Exercise complete. Only 2 questions are there. Remaining 3 questions you will solve by yourself. Exercise 7. In this exercise, we have to apply the divisibility rules. We have to check these questions. Question number 1. Check these numbers divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 9 and 10. First of all, revise or learn the divisibility rules and apply there. Place here yes, no, yes, no. If the number is divisible by 3, then place here yes, otherwise no. Any even number divided by 2, if sum of digits is divisible by 3, then number will be divided by 3. If number formed by last 2 digit is divided by 4, then number will be divided by 4. If numbers ones place is 0 or 5, number will be divided by 5. If any numbers sum of digit is divisible by 9, then number will be divisible by 9 also. If any numbers ones place is 0, then number will be divided by 10. Check these numbers and place the yes, no here. Question number 2. Test the divisibility rule of the following numbers by 6 and 8. You know the divisibility rule of 6 is if any number is divided by 2 and 3 both, number will be divided by 6. 8 if the number formed by last 2 digits. If number formed by last 3 digits, then number will be divisible by 8. So this is the divisibility rule of 8. Divisibility rule by 11. 11's divisibility rule is the sum of even place digit this and sum of this and this, means difference of sum of even place digit and sum of odd place digit is divisible by 11 or 0, then number will be divided by 11. So check all the divisibility rules. Check the divisibility rules also. So in this exercise, simply we have to check the divisibility rules. Now mental maths corner will be filled in the book. This exercise, one question will be filled in the book also. These one part, two parts you have to solve applying the divisibility rules. Now this is your complete solution of the chapter. If you have any type of doubt, write me on the WhatsApp group.